喂，上！抓你！Never say die spirit.
Thanks, man.
来，是。Alright, welcome to another fishing adventure. I'm Ryan and this is Tio Fishing. Today I'm with Berth, I'm with Matthew.
Hey!
Yeah. Kenji.
Hello!
And Daniel.
Yeah!
Yeah. We'll be going out on kayaks. We are at car park 7. Alright, we are trying to aim mangrove jacks today. Let's hope we can catch some. Yeah. Alright, so they are setting up the kayaks. Wow. Fish finder. Yo.
Then you can just pull up the drag. Right. So one feature about this 180 kick up fin, right, means why you call kick up is, let's say sway lah, you kena breaker, right, and you ram into it, right, you actually kick up. Okay. Try not to go to like 1 meter lah. 1 meter you still can use your fin. Are you ready, Ryan?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, I'll get you on the water first.
Yeah,
get down first. Okay.
We are here already, never mind.
You never
so,
offer me.
Okay, no.
No lah.
Matthew is helping me to set up the kayak.
Set up the kayak, bros.
Okay, let's go. Going on reverse.
Woohoo! So pull the red. Yeah, you're good. Reverse. You're already in reverse.
I'm already in reverse.
Yeah. So you can start pedaling, and there you go. You're going to go backwards.
Wow.
Yeah. So then you can try.
Reverse cannot change direction.
You gotta.
So
I mean, yeah, you can, but it's
not so effective.
yeah,
I
exactly.
need to
Forward.
move forward.
Yep.
Then it's forward now.
Yep. So
Oh, okay.
there you go.
Yeah. Huh? Okay. I now trying to play at the pillar first. Wait. Okay, let's go. Okay. Serious ah? Lo jia ah?
Malabar.
Wow.
Woohoo!
tangle on the leader. Whoa, there you go. Yep. Hey. Wow. GT.
Under 3 meter plus, you also can carry on.
Okay.
3.2, 3.3, 3.4.
Eh, sial lah. Eh, Dad. Wait, I need to reverse the thing.
At that point of time, we all forget, I got reverse capability. That was a take first.
No. I don't think it's a tick. Wait, I need to find a way to... No, how deep is this place? Okay. Yeah, but my back here a bit tinte.
No sanko, man. It's like kayak fishing, we will not lose lure. No, kayak fishing never lose lure.
Never, only look.
Oh, free trip. No lure heaven after fishing. No lure heaven.
Lure heaven don't like us after that.
Eh,
掉。
out already.
对。哇！
You got landing net.
No need lah. Banyak angler.
Woo! Alright, hybrid grouper on the... What's this crankbait called?
The
Dual-
M65.
Oh, M65 11A, yeah.
Woohoo! Nice one, bro. Oh, shot! You're shot! Oh, did it come off? Tusk fish! Tusk fish! Yeah! Woohoo!
Eat potato chip. Relax. Huh? Yo ho, hoist the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die. Alright guys, this is the end of the kayaking trip. Matthew landed 2 fishes. Wow, the biggest. Wow, one Malabar grouper. Yeah, one Malabar grouper, one mangrove jack. And you lost 2, right? Lost. And Kenji landed 1 mangrove jack. Okay, wow, must bring the mangrove jack up. And I landed 1 hybrid grouper. Alright, hey. Oh yeah, Kenji also landed 1 tusk fish. Hey, not bad eh. This one is a good eating fish, my favorite eating fish. Yeah, so this is our fish. Woo! Ooh, yummy. Alright, so yeah, it's a good day. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. If you all enjoy the video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe.